What's good, yo? My name is... I'm too tired to speak. I'ma just edit tomorrow, bro. Good night, y'all. We'll start over tomorrow. Anyway, my name is MoonZ. Fabuloso, baby.
And as you can tell from the title,
this video right now that's popping off your crackies. Here you go, y'all.
Stand, salute, pledge.
To the public, which stands one nation, one goal, invisible, guaranteed just fall on everything. 10 minutes later.
why is they still talking?
Miracle, I think they stopped talking. Say something.
Say something. You gotta say something. Hurry before it cut off.
Roger. Good. Now this video is very important because, like, you know, obviously a lot of people struggling. It makes me sad. It makes me jiggle in my jillies. You know what I'm saying? So here's my 5 steps on, like, how to live a better life on social media. Number 1, stop watching penguin porn. Come on, bro. Why y'all watching penguin porn for? Why? I just want to see y'all grow successful, so I'm just gonna sit here and beg. Oh my God! Can you please just stop watching penguin porn? Can you do that for me? I gave you $1. Just stop watching it. Just look how happy these penguins is. You don't need this. You don't need this at all. At all. Number 2.
I want you to look into your mirror for like 3-some minutes and ask yourself, why am I following her? Why?
She don't want you.
She don't even know you. All she cares is about her viewers. When she posting her booty cheeks and stuff, that's how she wanted some views.
And look at you.
You caught yourself following her, huh? You caught yourself following her on Instagram. I'm following her right now. Listen to me.
Number 3. You're literally following everybody that have negative energy around you. Stop following them.
And if you're in one of those group chats where one of those people just start talking trash out of the blue, you know, just get a sledgehammer, teleport to the house somehow, and just, like, I'm kidding.
Just ignore them, bro. Or, like, leave the group chat. You do not need a group chat full of negativity. Forget that. Gangster wannabes. Number 4. Listen. Your life is more valuable than anything in this world. Why is you crying over someone who doesn't text you back? They don't even show you no care. Oh, because I care. Well, they don't care about you. Right now, they living their life freely, having so much fun right now. Why you sitting down, waiting for a response? Go do something worth your time. Trust me. Number 5, just don't get on social media at all. That will literally help you pick grass and everything. That will literally save your life. That will literally better off your life. You don't need social media, bro. You don't need it. Trust me. Alright?
Another beautiful video. I want y'all to like, share, and subscribe to this video if this actually helped you. I'm trying to entertain you the best way I could while doing YouTube, because it's my job. So yeah, make sure y'all follow, like, and hit that share button. I love y'all.